60s. At 10 a.m., in Sioux City, the sky was mostly sunny. The temperature was missing. Elsewhere in northwest Iowa, Spencer was cloudy and 18. Northeast winds at 13 miles an hour produced a wind chill of 5. Other conditions across the northern plains, farther east in Iowa, it was cloudy, and temperatures were between 27 and 29 degrees. In eastern Nebraska at Norfolk, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 25. At Lincoln, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 32. At Omaha, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 27. In eastern South Dakota, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 16 at Mitchell, 22 at Yankton, and 17 at Sioux Falls. And in southern Minnesota, it was sunny. It was 11 at Worthington, 13 at Mankato, 18 at Minneapolis, and 17.
This is a test. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This tone will normally precede the broadcast of emergency message during potentially dangerous situations. Specifically built, receivers are automatically activated to advise or warn of impending hazards. This week's test is also in support of the annual statewide tornado drill across Iowa and Nebraska as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. All partnering agencies and the general public are encouraged to test severe weather emergency communication and show part of this drill. Ordinary tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time. The test will be canceled if severe weather threatens the area during the usual test time. Reception of this broadcast, especially of the alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability caused by factors such as terrain and distance from the transmitter, and will occur even though you may be using a good quality receiver. To provide the most consistent and dependable service possible, the tone will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting those counties within the transmitted listening area. This concludes our test. We now return to normal programming.
The current time is 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time.